All week long, we're focusing on keeping your neighborhood safe. And tonight, Brittany Edney investigates squatters. So from fires to vandalism, also safety concerns, vacant properties in the valley continue to lure squatters and the problems they bring with them.
Metro saw an increase of calls for squatters in all area commands last year, except for the Northwest, which had a nearly 11% reduction. Brittany
Edney has more on the issues caused by squatters, what responders are doing and can do about it.
The Squatters Bill, or AB 386, passed in October. It allows Metro to make arrests to help property owners when people illegally enter and stay in their homes, where this used to be a civil matter. But that doesn't mean the problem hasn't continued to plague properties in the valley.
Driving around the valley, it's not hard to spot a vacant home as the area continues to recover from the housing market bust, making it easy for those looking for shelter to spot and take over a target.
This property, for example, the city's in the process of getting bids from contractors to secure it because right now anybody can just wander inside.
Squatters could move in. A lot of times they steal power from the neighboring properties. They catch fire.
In most cases, it's accidental fires just like people have in their own home. They're smoking related, mattress fires, maybe they were cooking. Very rare is it where a person is going on a property to intentionally burn it.
But it does take up department resources.
The fires are occurring in all neighborhoods, in all parts of the city, a little bit more towards the downtown area and a little bit towards the east side. And that's where we have the older homes. They're more accessible, easier to get into.
And it's also getting easier for city code enforcers to discover. They say there are some simple signs to spot a squatter.
A lot of times we'll find them, the door handles are removed, the lock's been removed. A lot of squatters will actually rekey the houses.
Plus open windows, unsecured back doors, and missing signage.
So we've got a princess blanket up here in the window of this vacant home. I mean, is that also a sign too?
Yes, it is. The squatters, they don't want us to be able to see inside, so they'll put up something to obstruct the view into the house.
So far this year, Metro has responded to more than 2,700 squatter calls for service, which is up about 32% from 2015. Police made 39 unlawful occupancy arrests since the Squatters Bill passed in October. The city says the number of abatements it performs is up as well.
It's surprising because everybody thinks the recession is over, but we still have a large inventory of vacant properties.
Giving squatters the opportunity to let themselves in.
And if you happen to see this happening in your neighborhood, city zoning officials say to contact their office for help. We'll send it back to you.
All right, Brittany, thanks. And coming up tomorrow night, Brittany will be taking a look at changes that could impact the sex offender registry as our Keep Your Neighborhood Safe series continues.
All right.